The High Court has currently postponed the case between the Nankuse Foundation and the Environment Ministry to the 11th of August. In a media statement, Nankuse says it approached the High Court on an urgent basis seeking an order to stop the ministry from removing and relocating certain endangered birds and an egg in the care and protection of Rare and Endangered Species Trust, REST. The birds in question range from least concern to endangered and are breeding pair of Cape Griffon vultures, two tawny eagles, a Battlelure eagle, an African hawk eagle, a giant eagle owl, and a spotted eagle owl. Nankuse noted that REST, which was responsible for the birds, is closing its operations in Namibia and has given the birds to them. On 12 April 2022, Nankuse says it applied for a permit to transport the bird species from outside Osho in the Kunene region to its wildlife sanctuary and veterinary clinic. They added that they have been writing letters to the concerned ministry, but they have not received a response to date. In response, the Ministry of Environment, Forestry and Tourism spokesperson Romeo Muyunda said REST and Nankuse allegations are unfounded and misrepresentation of facts. Muyunda clarified that the ministry resolved to remove the birds after the organization said it would no longer keep birds in captivity without permits. REST then, according to Muyunda, submitted a request for transport and halting permit for the birds in March this year to Nankuse. At the time, Nankuse had also applied for a permit in April this year for the same birds. He says according to the law, only the person in possession or care of the species can apply for a transport permit to move animal species from one area to the other, and Nankuse had no right. Muyunda says there is no basis to engage Nankuse, but responded to REST, advising it to apply for the relocation of the birds on the prescribed form.